Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. 07 Part 05. How to clear extra covers from the table. Follow these steps for efficient and professional clearing of extra table covers. Guest inquiry. After all seated guests are settled, politely inquire if there are any additional individuals joining their party. Guest confirmation. Once the seating arrangements are confirmed, courteously ask if there are any further additions to the party. Prepared equipment. Ensure you are equipped with a designated tray specifically intended for this task. Methodical clearing. Systematically remove any surplus cutlery, napkins, and glassware from the table. Tidy arrangement. Skillfully organize all additional items on the tray, maintaining a neat and orderly presentation. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.